camp ay sponsored ng PEMC, Miriam College, Philippine Science High School, WWF, Globe Program, at DSO.
The Eco Camp was one of the activities of PEMC designed to increase the environmental awareness of the youth and to instill upon them a sense of appreciation of the function and value of the ecosystems and the urgent need to protect and conserve them. This activity is undertaken with full cooperation and in partnership with Miriam College, the Globe Program, Philippine Science High School, the World Wildlife Fund in the Philippines, and volunteer service overseas. We are glad and thankful to all our partners that helped to make this activity a success.
It was indeed our pleasure to be partners with PEMC in this undertaking. The purpose of the Youth Nature Camp was to bring the high school students to natural surroundings where they will learn to understand, to appreciate, and to be sensitive to the life processes in that ecosystem, particularly in this case, the marine ecosystem. You see, our young people today will be the future citizens of our countries tomorrow. It is necessary to expose them and to make them responsible for the rich heritage of their marine environment.
Ako si Trenka Oliva. Magmula ngayon, ako ay magsisimulang mag-recycle ng papel at magtipid ng enerhiya at tubig. Nung first day, may 20 participants at 20 facilitators na galing sa iba't ibang eskwelahan. Pinakilala yung mga facilitators, tapos yung mga participants. Tapos, group into 3 groups. Tapos, yung mga participants, tapos pinangalanan nilang Giting-Giting, YLC, tsaka Hey. Nung unang activity, binigyan kami ng lecture kung paano gumamit ng compass.
Ako si Joyce Ann Ramos. Mula ngayon ay magsisimula na ako magtanim ng halaman sa aming bakuran. Hihinto ako sobrang paggamit ng teknolohiya at ipagpapatuloy ko ang pagsita sa mga taong nagkakalat. So si Sir Manny yung galing sa PhilVox, tinuruan niya kami tungkol sa clouds, yung mga nimbus, stratus, cumulus, and cirrus. Hindi lang pala sila 4, so madami pala yon. Mayroon pang alto cumulus, alto cirrus, nimbus stratus, madami pang ibang tawag. Iba-iba ng itsura yon. yan, nakita agad namin yung mga tao, meron silang mga dalang banner. So, parang nakakatuwa naman kasi napaka-hospitable ng mga tao, saka friendly.
Ako si Wilbert Polisco, magmula ngayon na ipinapangakong ibahagi ang lahat ng nalalaman sa ibang tao upang mapangalagaan din nila ang kalikasan. Punta kami sa Municipal Hall, na-meet namin yung Vice Mayor. Tinanong namin siya kung ano yung status ng Sibuyan Island. Sabi niya naman, improving, kasi ang dami ng mga nagagawa. Tapos ang dami na rin mga tourist na nag-aaral tungkol sa Sibuyan Island.
Yung isa pang activity, yung community mapping, assigned yung each group sa iba't ibang part ng town. Tapos para i-observe tsaka i-illustrate yung physical aspects ng community nila.